If you're looking for an everyday flawless makeup tutorial that you can just get in 10 minutes, this video is for you. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Birjees Aamira. I'm a fashion designer and a stylist, and I'm so excited to have you today, and I'm so excited to share all of my journey with every one of you. In this channel, you're going to see everything fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, and also how you can build your personal style from scratch. So if you're interested in any of this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, because I'll be posting videos every single day so you can stay updated. And in today's video, we're going to see how to create this makeup look. That's an everyday makeup look that you can do with very minimal products. So let's just get started. Hi guys, let's start with the skincare first. For the skincare, I'm first using this Banjaras rose water. Using a rose water toner makes the skin more moist and helps the moisturizer absorb really well. Using this moisturizer from Bioderma, you can also use a gel-like moisturizer if you have like a oily skin. And I like to go in with eyeshadow first. Going with lighter tone using this fluffy brush and applying it all over my eyes and making sure to blend really well on both the sides of the eyes, and then going with a little darker tone of brown. I'm going to blend everything in, and this is how it looks like after done with both the eyes. Then I like to go in with this Faces Canada foundation. It's a foundation plus sunscreen, so I just go in with dots all over my face, a little bit on chin, and you can also blend it using a blender. I like to do it with my hands. The warmth of the hands blends really well. It makes the process more quicker, as in the morning you wouldn't have that much amount of time to do all of that, so it's just easier to do it with the hand. Then later I like to use concealer. I like to use only a little bit to just conceal off the dark areas of my face, especially the dark circles and a little bit of pigmentation that's around my mouth. So I like to blend it with the hand and going with the upward direction near the eyes to just give you that face lifted look. So after blending everything in, I like to set it with a compact powder or a loose powder. Here I'm using this Mamaearth compact powder. I'm just going to use a very little bit to just set everything in. This is a very good compact powder, by the way. And then also going in with the ears and a little bit on the neck, so everything has the same tone. And using this eyeliner just gives you a whole different look. Meanwhile, while applying eyeliner, if you're facing any issue, you can go in with downward strokes. So if you're using like an upward stroke, usually what happens, it just smudges off everything. So you can use this trick. It's really helpful, and you can see how much of a difference eyeliner makes. I mean, it's insane. And make sure you finish it off till the end, doing the same thing on both of my eyes. Using this mascara, this from Iba Cosmetics. This one's really good. Always when I do mascara, I make sure I remove all the excess in, and going in with the roots of the eyelashes, I like to take it upwards and also making sure I apply it on the lower lashes. So this is how it looks like, and a little bit of crease happened, like smudging happened while I was applying eyeliner, so I like to take a darker tone of eyeshadow and just blending it everything so it just stays. This is a really nice trick. You should definitely try if you tend to smudge your eyeliner. And then going with this lip gloss. I'm obsessed with this gloss. It's just so good. I'm obsessed with glosses, and this one's like a proper nude gloss, so I really like it. I like to line my lips first, all over, and then apply single coats while after lining the lips, and then go in with one more coat so the lip gloss is settled in very well, as lip glosses have a very shorter period of time, like they stay for a very short period of time and you'll have to reapply it, but it's so good. It's just so fresh. It's like nice glossy. So I've been really obsessed with these lips. This is from Blur India. I'm gonna make sure I tag all the products down below for you guys to check it out. And after the lipstick is done, I like to go in with something lifted using this lip tint. Like the blush adds you that nice effect. I'm going with these dots and blending it really well. Doing the same thing on the other side. I like to also apply it a little bit on my nose area because to keep it more natural. going with three dots and blending everything in, and that's the final look. So that's it for today's makeup look. I hope you enjoyed, and it will definitely take you one or two takes until you get to this level. So make sure you practice. Practice is the key for anything that you want to start or anything that you want to do. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Make sure you let me know if you want any of the videos, any of the video ideas that you have in the comment section below, and I will definitely make a video on that. And also let me know what you think of this look, and yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You can also follow me on my Instagram. The link will be down in the description. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, make sure you love yourself and take care of yourself. Bye.